Here we come to the elevators at the George Building at University Houston Sugarland campus in Sugarland, Texas. This is going to be a 2026 take. I've actually done these in both 2025 and 2024, but my last takes weren't all that too great, so this is your take in 2026. Motors sounded a little bit different than last time. Here's your phone, and we'll send this up to 3 and we'll get the other elevator car. All right, we're gonna get the other elevator car. Now, these are Schindler 300A from 2001. It looks like that left elevator car levels a lot faster than it ever did before. I used to have classes here. I graduated in May of 2024. This is where I used to have my classes here quite a lot of times. Three. Your phone, another one. Stops with a bump. I noticed that one of the lanterns are like busted out. Caught a perfect time when this elevator got busy. But anyways, there it goes. And that's it.